In this video, we will take a look at the more automated dynamic route building tools available in dispatch science. When creating a route plan, we have the ability to define the route starting location and address, if the assigned drivers are planned to return to the initial route location, and also if adding stops after the driver is dispatched are permitted. You are also able to define the accounts and service levels to be included in this route plan. Define the schedules this route plan will follow, including route starting times, order creation, and pickup cutoff times. You are able to then define the geographies that are specific to this route plan. In this example, multiple zones surrounding this distribution area have been created. You can now define how the stops within each of these zones will be planned. Clicking into each zone allows you to configure each zone independently. You have options to define a single route with a specific driver in mind, or create a single route with the driver defined at a later time. You can also allocate a specific number of drivers to service a particular area, or have Dispatch Science's optimization engine automatically define the number of drivers you need to service the area. Let's take a look at the routes created from this route plan. Orders created in the system have been matched based on their geography and schedule and assigned to their appropriate route. To review the details on a specific route, simply click on that mapping option within the route container to visualize the stops and their sequence. Planners can now pre-plan assignments to their drivers by first allocating them to a specific route, then dispatching the route to the drivers and pushing the stop schedule and details to the driver's mobile devices. Adjustments can always be made to routes before dispatching them to your drivers. Users will also have the ability to reassign orders to a different route, move the existing route to a different day, or push the routed orders to the on-demand boards. Next, let's take a look at a different type of route plan, one that dynamically creates routes over a large area for multiple customers. In this particular route plan, we are servicing all customers within one specific service level, again with options to define a daily or hourly service schedule and cutoff times for the route plan. The routing options within this singular large zone allows the users to let the Dispatch Science optimization engine dynamically define the number of drivers required, minimizing resources and miles while still servicing all pickup and delivery windows. The routes created through this route plan will vary based on the number of orders created within this specific route collection. Fewer drivers would be required for lighter days, while busy days would require additional drivers. In this particular use case, 14 drivers and routes were required to properly service all the orders. Again, using the mapping options, users are able to visualize all the stops within the routes, with the option to make additional modifications or corrections to the routes prior to assignment. As you can see, taking advantage of the dynamic routing options within Dispatch Science will help you maximize the utilization of your fleet to best service all of your customers' needs.